Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily find and delete duplicate files on Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, go to your favorite browser. I have here, and I want you to look up for CC Cleaner, or C Cleaner is what I meant. Click on this link, and you just need to download the free version. No need to get the pro version unless you would like to get their pro features. Just hit save and you just need to install this application. And once done, this is what it's gonna look like. Here we got C Cleaner. I want you to click over here. We have an option, Duplicate Finder. Click on that and then just click on Start Now and select any drive you wish to want to check or not select at all. Okay. So basically, we will check all drives, scan all. This might take a while depending on how large your storage is. So just keep that in mind. But basically, once done, you can now review every single file that has duplicates on them. Review and manually select and delete those you no longer need. So let's wait for a while. All right, so here you have all of the duplicates. You can click on the drop down and carefully examine each file. So for example, if going to select this, just make sure to click on delete or move to the recycle bin. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.